Guys, I'm going to review for you one of the most amazing tools that you can scrape leads on Google search. All right, I'm going to get all these email views and show you how fast you can get hundreds of emails. But first, what I want to do is just touch on it quickly, how many tools Lead Sniper has. And if you've not heard of Lead Sniper, let me quickly show you what we got to offer. So guys, first I want to just show you the products that we actually have here. All right, I'm just going to do this quickly. So we have 3 different kind of products on Lead Sniper. We have the Maps Scraper. Okay, so you can see here the Google Maps Scraper. We also have the Google Search Scraper and the Yellow Pages Scraper. This is how you buy them. To click buy now. All right, so let's start with the Google Maps Scraper. You want to click watch how it works. I've made a nice video for you explaining how to install this tool. Okay, and then download the sample CSV output file. Underneath that, you can actually choose the subscription you like. It's a one-time fee, guys. Okay, this is not a monthly fee, and then download the free version, guys. You do the exact same with all these tools. Okay, so on the Google Search Scraper, you go down, watch the video that I made. Okay, choose the CSV output file, download it, and then choose the lifetime access package that you'd like. I do recommend downloading the free version and starting it right now. The Yellow Pages is the exact same. Hit that button so you can watch me tell you exactly how to install this. Download the CSV output file. Then what you want to do is choose the most amazing package, all right, the best value, 389, one-time lifetime access, and download the free version right now to get started. The first thing you want to do, guys, is open up the extension at the top. You'll notice I'm doing this on 2 browsers, okay? I'm going to tell you why in just a second. So once you've opened up the extension, type in your keywords into that box. So we're putting gas station, and then in the place we want, you're going to hit start, and it's going to open up a new browser on the Google search and start scraping leads for you. Now guys, the reason that I've got 2 browsers is because if you get the top package here, all right, it's a one-time lifetime fee, which you'll see, and you can actually get up to 5 licenses for this. So you could do this multiple times, making it excel the maximization of your business. So if you want to do it on one browser, no problem. Okay, once they've searched through, you'll see the number of leads. You want to export this, click the export button, and then click download as CSV. Guys, once you download it CSV, drag it into a Google Drive folder. Really easy. Make sure it's an empty one so you don't get confused what file it is. And then you're going to open up this file with Google Sheets. Guys, this is how easy this is. This is why people are flocking around the world to use this tool. Okay, we've now got all these different gas stations with everything you need. Okay, emails, even in the social links, the meta description, the phone numbers, all them things that would took you literally months as a whole team. You could have a call center, a team full of people. And let's just see how many emails we got. So a team full of people, how long would it have took them to get this many emails from Google search? I know me trying to find one place on Google is tough. Okay, as you go down, all right, it's going to count 683, guys. How long would it have took you to get 683 emails? There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor. Hit the link down below to get involved right now. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.